This video provides instructions on making a supersized chrysanthemum mini flower, which is approximately 6 inches. So cut all your petals and center and sepal according to the instruction document at the beginning of the video, and it's also available on my Facebook page in the Photo Album 2022 Crafting Happy Hour instructions. So for the centers, which are 6 inches by 1.20 inches high, you're going to use a small dowel rod, approximately 1/8, and roll each individual petal of the center up. I have the petals stacked according by size from largest to smallest, so I like to flip my pile over so the largest ones are on top. Now we're going to roll each of the petals up with a dowel rod. So you're just going to place the dowel rod down in the middle of the petal, thumb on top, index finger underneath, and just pinch around the dowel rod. Again, I'm just placing the dowel rod down in the middle of each individual petal, thumb on top, index finger underneath, and just pinching around it to make a curl of the petal. And you're going to do this to all of the petals. So I'm just finishing up the rolling of the last 2 petals. And I'm just pressing around the dowel rod to curl the petal. Now we're going to assemble the flower from largest to smallest. And I don't like to roll my first layer, and then the second layer you roll the center with a metal ball stylus and place the petals in between the previous layer's petals so they're even in between. Now you're going to roll your next size petals so they're all stacked according to size, largest to smallest. Roll the center on with a metal ball stylus on a flower shaping mat. Add some glue to the back and then place it in between the previous layer's petals. Try and keep it in the center and keep rotating. You can use your metal ball stylus tool to make sure the glue adheres by rolling around the center. Continue doing this for all the petals. Okay, for our very last center, roll the center where the petals meet the base. And now we're going to create our center. So you're going to take one of them and thread it onto the slotted quilling tool. So thread it on, roll it a few times, add some hot glue, roll it towards yourself. And I like to have the curved part facing, so the petals are rolled up, so they should be facing up towards you. Secure the ends with hot glue. Grab your next center, add some hot glue. And now we're going to start it right where the last center ended. As close as possible. Roll it toward yourself. And secure the ends. And continue doing this for all the centers. Add some hot glue to the bottom of your center and glue it into the 3.5-inch petal we have left. Make sure it's adhered. Fold up the petals around it. Glue it into the center. In between the previous layer's petals as best you can. Make sure it adheres, so press it a little bit in the center. And then you can fluff out the petals to your liking. And that is a supersized chrysanthemum mini flower, approximately 6 inches. Thank you for watching.